What's going on, guys? I'm up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. I got a 1967 Nova. Super nice car. And we're about to go for a test drive. Let's go for a ride. Ready to take off in a 1967 Nova. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. Get this AC rolling. Got some of these little hot rod show things on there. Might end up taking those off. I like a nice clean dash, so check the radio, see if it works. It does. We got an aftermarket tack sitting here on the dash, and it works. I'm gonna say the battery gauge does not work. It doesn't look like it's moving very much. Engine temp gauge, we'll watch it as we run. It's still cold right now. Oil pressure's working. What I like to do is go down the road, pick any kind of flaws that I can find. I'll let you know how it runs and drives. I've already did a walk around video. I want you to check it out. I'll tag it to the end of this video. You can just scroll to the end if you want to see the walk around. But we're going to take off. I'll let you know how this thing runs. It's the first time I've actually test drove this vehicle. Small block 350. And we do have seat belts. See all that traffic reminded me to put my seat belt on. All right. Motor sounds good. It feels nice and strong. We're going straight down the road. Steering wheel's pretty centered up for an aftermarket steering wheel. Engine temp's coming up, so the temp gauge does work. Speedometer's working, and it should be correct. We're running about 40 right now, so horn works. Steering's nice and tight. As soon as I turn, it turns. Check our brakes. Brakes are very good. Almost stopped instantly. Yeah, they feel great. Really enjoying this nice AC in here too. It's blowing really hard. There's a button right here. I'm assuming maybe it had line lock at one time. It doesn't have it now. I mean, I guess that's what that's for normally when they put them right here. So we do have gas. Might stop up at the gas station, put a little bit more in it just to check the gauge. So we'll pull over here and we'll do that. And this one already had gas in it, but I want to check the gas gauge and make sure it works. So I threw about 10 bucks in it, some premium, and we'll check that out. And I believe the battery gauge does work. I said it probably wasn't moving or wasn't working because it wasn't moving. But as soon as I cut the car off, it dropped down. So let's see if this gas gauge comes up. It is moving. It's slow. It was right under a quarter, and it's coming up over it. So we'll double check that again here in a second after we get moving. See if it comes up. So it does work, just takes a second to get there. seatbelt back on. Before I forget, have to find another spot to get on it real good. There's a police sitting at every corner here. This thing sounds good. Driveability of this car is awesome. I mean, everything feels nice and tight, like it's all been redone. Plenty of power. Kickdown's there. I'm gonna go ahead and say all the gauges are working now. At first I thought the battery gauge wasn't working, but it's coming up. When you cut the car off, it drops as well. We got gas, oil pressure came up immediately, temp gauge is working good, staying at a good level. Of course, with the oversized radiator and electric fans, shouldn't have any problems. This car here should blow the tires off. Good. Well, this is going to conclude my video. I appreciate y'all watching. If you have any other questions, give us a call. 615-822-4444. I'll be happy to help you out. I've also got 100 detailed pictures on my website, including all the cars on the car lot. So check that out at maplemotors.com. So you can see everything. You can see all of our inventory and underneath, inside and out of this car. If you like my music, please subscribe. I got a link at the end of this video. If you want to see the walk around video of this on the outside, you can check it out. It's at the end of this video as well. I post videos like this every single day, so please subscribe. I appreciate you watching, and thanks again, guys.